Hello friends, myself Professor Shantay Gurmat, Department of Botany, MGVC Arts, Commerce and Science College, Mudde, Bihar, Karnataka State. Friends, today's class we discuss about ecosystem. The term ecosystem was proposed by Hazy Tansley in the year 1935, who defined it as the system resulting from the integration of all the living and non-living factors of the environment. Thus, he regarded the ecosystem as including not only the organism complex, but also the whole complex of physical factors forming the environment. The term eco implies the environment, and system implies an interacting, interdependent complex. This unit of living organism interacting with their non-living environment in an orderly, self-sufficient manner is known as a ecological system or ecosystem. Then types of ecosystem, they are basically two kinds. Number one is natural ecosystem. Now, in this natural ecosystem, the first one is terrestrial, means land, forest, grassland and desert ecosystem, and aquatic, freshwater ecosystem and marine water ecosystem. Second one is artificial ecosystem or man engineered or means man made ecosystem. The abiotic components means non living components. It includes the amount of inorganic substances like phosphorus, carbon, nitrogen, hydrogen, etc. are involved in material cycles. The amount of these inorganic substances present any given time in an ecosystem is designated as the standing state or standing quality. Amount and distribution of inorganic chemicals such as chlorophylls and organic materials as proteins, carbohydrates, lipids, the climate of given region. Then we discuss about biotic component or living component. This is indeed the trophic structure of any ecosystem. Living organisms are distinguished on the basis of their nutritional relationships. From this trophic means a nutritional relationship, an ecosystem has two components. Number one, autotrophic component, in which fixation of light energy, use of simple inorganic substances predominate. The component is constituted mainly by green plants, that is a carbohydrate, including photosynthetic bacteria. Members of the autotrophic component are known as producers. Then second, a heterotrophic component, in which utilization, rearrangement and decomposition of complex materials predominate. The organisms are involved are known as consumers, as they consume the matter built up the producers, means autotrophs. The consumers are further categorized as macro consumers. Number one is macro consumers. These are the consumers which, in an order as they occur in a food chain, are herbivores, carnivores, or omnivores. Herbivores are known as primary consumers. Secondary and tertiary consumers, if present, are carnivores or omnivores. Second one is micro consumers. These are popularly known as decomposers. They are saprophytes and include chiefly bacteria, actinomycetes, and fungi. Decomposers, breakdown of complex compounds of dead or living protoplasm, absorb some of the decomposition or breaking down products and release inorganic nutrients in environment, making them available again to autotrophs. Okay, thank you friends. We meet in the next video.